Okay, so major service Ferrari 355. Let's see what we've got in the box ready to go on. Okay, so in the 355 major service we've got 2 cambelts, oil filter, fuel filter, spark plugs, what's this? Air filters 2. And the very important hydraulic tensioners. Genuine Ferrari. There's 2 of them, and as you can imagine, it's tensioners, the tension of the cam belts. Got the bearings that the cam belts run on. And just for a bit of bling bling, we're going to refresh the rocker covers as well. It's a nice crackle red paint. And also, whilst the rocker covers are off, put on some nice new rocker cover gaskets as well, and they come with the spark plug rings that go on the head. That's about it. Nothing else. So, also while the engine's out, I thought we might as well chuck on a nice Capristo stage 2 exhaust as well. Let's have a look what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Wow, we got 3 cups as well, Luke. Never mind the exhaust, look what that is. Yes! Capristo cups, that's what I'm talking about. Wow. Look at that. About new exhausts, and that is cool. Only for competition. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so we're going to do a before and after for the Capristo exhaust. So this is the standard exhaust that's on at the moment. And we've got a janky iPhone decibel meter. Hopefully it's accurate enough. Yeah, go for it. So we peaked at about 100, 103 there, I think, on a light rev. Yeah, come back, see how loud it is when it's got the new exhaust on. Okay, day one. Progress so far. Looks pretty bare. Hopefully the engine will be out tomorrow. Plenty more to do though. I'll come back to that. So, we've got all the heat shields off, underbody stuff. We've got all our bolts lined up in nice trays, ready to go back on in order. There's the old exhaust. And there is going to be the new one on our parts table. Looking good. So tomorrow, EGR pipe off, all these electrics. There's all sorts of electrics that need doing, and vac pipes and lambda sensors. Label all these up, pull them all out, put them all onto the engine, keep everything away from where it's going to be dropping. Then it'll be oil out, coolant out, brake pipes, handbrake cable, electrics, fuel pipe at the back there. That can all come out. And then I think it might be drop the bolts, set it on stands and raise it up. So fingers crossed, everything goes to plan.